Now let's talk about how to get the most out of this traffic source. You're going to want to focus on using this traffic source to get leads instead of just driving traffic to an affiliate offer. Okay, now if you do plan on using this traffic source to drive traffic to an affiliate offer, make sure that it is a high paying affiliate offer. But I do highly recommend that you use this traffic source to build your list and build a relationship with these leads so that you can maximize the value per visitor that you get from this traffic source. Now, as you can see here, we have three different options that you can choose when it comes to buying traffic from them. You could buy targeted traffic, Alexa traffic, or targeted BizOp email traffic. And this is actually what I would recommend, the third one, targeted BizOp email traffic. Just because I do know people that are using this option successfully. So let's just click on this, click on order now. And as you can see, you could purchase 5,000 visitors all the way up to 250,000 visitors. Okay, let's take a look at this. 25,000 visitors, 100% human traffic for $108. Now, for a similar price, if you pay this price on Facebook ads, you're looking to get around 100 visitors to your site. But for a similar price, you can get around 25,000 visitors. Okay, another tip I want to give you is, hey, make sure that you have a profitable funnel in place. And then once you know your numbers, once you know the value per visitor and per lead, then you can just repeat and scale up